Jesus, 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 there's just something about that name. Hey friends, this is There's Just Something About That Name in the key of E flat. It is a simple way to chord along to this song. I've kind of tried to simplify all the beauty that comes with it so that you can simply chord along and then you can layer in your musical tools as you gain confidence. All right, so make sure to stop the video. If you click on the description below, you will find the link to the chord sheet and it'll make a lot more sense as we dive in. Okay, so like I said, I've kind of tried to cut out a lot of the complexities to this song, but we still have a lot of chords to cover, but I'm going to simplify them for you. All right, so we're going to kind of stair step up. We're going to start with this F chord and move our way up the keyboard a bit. So if you look for this group of 3 black notes, that's kind of your reference point to play the F, which is to the left of those 3. Play every other note, and you're having an F chord played right there, F, A, C, okay? Then you're also going to play an F minor. So all that's doing is moving this 3rd note down a half step. So from here to here is a half. Okay, so here's our F minor, kind of has a moodiness to it. So we have F and then A flat, C. Okay. All right, let's move up one set of notes. We're in the G position now. So we have G chord there, G, B, D. Okay, and then we're also going to minor that chord. So we're going to play G minor. So remember, we're just moving the 3rd of the chord down 1/2 step. So from here to here is a half. Okay, we have a G minor. And if it helps for those 2 minor chords, it kind of makes this triangle shape. Okay, do you see that? So we have G, B flat, D, making that triangle. Same thing with that F minor. All right, then let's move up to an A flat chord. Okay, so we have in the 3 notes that make up the A flat chord are A flat, C, E flat, and it's this upside down triangle. So we have 2 black notes on the top, white note in the middle. And I usually use fingers 1, 3, 5. You can use fingers 1, 2, 5. Figure out what fingers you're going to play that A flat chord. Okay, so there's our upside down triangle. I kind of move up into the notes to more easily play those 3 notes equally. Okay. All right, and then we have our B flat chord. So we have B flat, D, F. Okay, and I use fingers 1, 2, 3 for that chord. So it makes this curved line as well. We have black, white, white. All right. Then we have our C chord. So C, E, G. Okay, then we're going to also play a C minor. So we're going to move our 3rd down a half step. Okay, it makes that triangle shape, just a regular triangle. C, E flat, G. All right, bear with me. We have 2 more. Okay, we're going to play a D flat triangle. I use fingers 1, 2, 5 for this chord. And you kind of tuck into the, like I said, kind of move up into those. So we have D flat, F, A flat. Okay, and then if you move up kind of this shape in your hand, see if we freeze those fingers and play in the E flat position, you're playing the same upside down triangle shape. Okay, so here's E flat, G, B flat. And that's our E flat chord. Okay, these flat keys are tricky and they're fun and they sound really beautifully. So here's our D flat and here's our E flat. Okay, so kind of that same shape in your hand. And I think the A flat has that as well, kind of has that same shape. Okay, all right, so left hand is going to be playing just single notes. So when we play chords up here, we're going to be playing single notes. So you're just going to be playing F to F, F minor to F minor up here, G to G minor, and then A flat. We're just going to play this A flat single note with our A flat chord. Then we play a B flat. Then we play C by itself with C chord, then C to C minor, and then we have our D flat, and then we have our E flat. So just single notes over here while you're doing chords up here. It's just a really, since the right hand has a lot going on with a lot of different chords, keep this hand simple. I also recommend you to find a 5-note position that feels comfortable for you, that you can play a majority of those notes without having to move all over the place. That'll, excuse me, that'll help you kind of keep your bearings. be grounded of where you're at. So for this song, I'm going to probably play pinky on F and line up my 5 fingers and keep this hand here the whole song. And then when I play that D flat, I'm just going to kind of open up my thumb, play that D flat, and then play that E flat like this. Otherwise, I can play all of the other notes by moving just in this 5-note positioning. Okay, so I'm going to sing through the chorus so you can see how the 2 hands come together now that we've unlayered a lot of those chords for you. And then we'll break down the rhythm and see how the 2 hands come together, okay? Jesus, 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 there's just something about that name. Master, Savior, Jesus, like the fragrance after the rain. Okay, so this song is written in 3/4 time signature, so it works really well with this ratio I call 1-to-3 ratio. And that simply means we're going together, right, right, together, right, right, together, right, right, together, right, right. Since, like I said, there's a lot going on chords wise, so it'd be nice to kind of keep our rhythm simple to be able to have a good foundation to play this song. All right, so you might want to just go through right hand chords only and then left hand notes where they go, and then bring the 2 hands together since this is more of a complex one than I typically teach. All right, so we're going to start out with that E flat chord. Like I said, just do right hand only while I'm going through both hands together. Might be a baby step for you to follow. Okay, so we're starting out with that E flat to E flat chord up here. Okay, Jesus. Okay, now we're going to move to the G minor. Jesus, back to that E flat. Jesus, there's just A flat single note, something, okay, D flat here, about that, E flat, sorry, name, okay, then A flat, back to the E flat, Master, okay, G minor, Savior, G, C chord, sus, like the C minor, fragrance, F chord. I'm going to move my pinky open a little bit to play that. After the F minor, just moves that middle finger down a half step. Rain, B flat. Okay. So you'll want to take kind of some time to go through those chord at a time. Like I said, just work through, don't even worry about the words. Just work through chord change to chord change, chord change to chord change. Remembering those upside down triangles or those regular triangles, that kind of helps to kind of memorize that shape in that hand and kind of realize like D flat, E flat, A flat, let me see, D flat, E flat, A flat are all the same upside down triangles. And so the F minor, C minor, G minor all kind of have that, you know, that regular triangle as well, but it's like the same shape can be held in that hand when you get used to going from chord to chord. Okay. All right, let's take a look at the, I don't know if it's a verse or what they call it, but E flat there. Jesus, G minor, Jesus, back to the E flat, Jesus, little A flat, heaven and earth, pro, G, claim, C chord, kings and kingdoms may, here's that minor, C minor, all pass, F chord, away. here's that F minor. Something, B flat, about that E flat name. All right. You could do it. I'm going to play it beginning to end. Go back to the beginning if you kind of want to walk through each tutorial, kind of breaking up those sections. Like I said, there's a lot of new chords for this song, but if you memorize those shapes and then just work through the right hand only, just really getting a good grasp of all the notes that make up each chord, you can accomplish this song. All right, have a lot of fun. Here we go. Jesus, 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 there's just something about that name. Master, Savior, Jesus, like the fragrance after the rain. Jesus, 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 let all heaven and earth proclaim. Kings and kingdoms may all pass away, but there's something about that name. Jesus, 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 there's just something about that name. Master, Savior, Jesus, like the fragrance after the rain. Jesus, 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 let all heaven and earth proclaim. Kings and kingdoms may all pass away, but there's something about that name. Kings and kingdoms may all pass away, but there's something about that name.